Hi friends, as I told, every day I'll continue my video. I came to my second video now. Yesterday we discussed three different types of BOP. So we discussed balance of payment on current account, capital account and financial account. First we will discuss from the current account, and as I told, balance of payment on current account divided into two parts. One is balance of trade and second is balance of invisible. First we will see balance of payment on current account. Balance of trade means all the visible things, means all type of goods and commodities. And a balance of invisible means all type of services. This one we can touch, we can see, but this one we can experience, but we can see it. That's why only it is invisible. Get it? If anyone will ask us that what is definition of balance of payment on current account, sometime who are doing the PUC and degree students, maybe sometime in masters, if they will see the video, what they will find that what is the definition is current account or income account of the balance of payment is merely a way of listing the flows of all the goods and services between the country to another. So in the balance of payment, in the current account, we saw all the inflow and outflow of goods and services of one country with another countries. It includes commodity, import and export, all the visible things, and it also include services, what are the importing and exporting from one country to another country. Visible, invisible. See it markably. Visible means all type of commodity, invisible means all type of services. Now come to next part. Here I am telling that trade means goods and invisible means service. Goods means it's okay, we know that tea, coffee, spices, petroleum, cotton, machineries, different type of goods. Now we'll come to second part, what type of service are importing and exporting and we are including in balance of payment. According to IMF, Indian Monetary Fund, if we will see that according to recognition of IMF, these services are counted for the balance of payment. So what are the services? Like international transportation of goods including the warehousing, then travel for business, education, health and pleasure. You can take it this one as a tourism also. Get it? Travel for pleasure means one type of tourism. Then insurance premium and payment of claims. Then next, investment income including interest, rent, dividends and profit, donation, migrant remittance and legacies, repayment of commercial credit, contractual, amortization and depreciation of direct investment. In UGC net, maybe they will give a question. Suppose three type of service they will give, one type of service they will not give, it will be out of the service section and they will ask a question, what type of things are coming under in the balance of invisible. Get it? So you have to remember these things. Among these things, if anything will come, yeah, that is included and other part is excluded. Clear? First I explain the definition of balance of current accounting, then I explain what is balance of trade and balance of invisible. The second part we will see that what is the balance of trade and balance of invisible. They both can be favorable, unfavorable and balanced. They can go through three situations: favorable, unfavorable and balanced. Favorable means balance of trade when it will call favorable when the balance of trade is in surplus position. What is surplus position means? When the value of export is greater than the value of import, that is known as favorable balance of trade. Get it? What is the unfavorable balance of trade? When the balance of trade is in deficit position, means when the trade value means value of import is greater than export, that is known as unfavorable. What is balance? Obviously when the value of export equal to value of import. Same when we will called the balance of invisible as favorable when the value of receipt is all the time greater than the value of payment. means what we receive if it is greater than what we paid, that is balance of invisible favorable situation. What is unfavorable situation of balance of invisible? When the value of payment is greater than the value of receipt, that is unfavorable. For all the country it is not a good sign. All the time the developed country maintain these two things, means trade surplus and a favorable position, a positive situation they want. Unfavorable, obviously a negative situation. And if balance means that's very good. Then what is a balance? In the balance of invisible, that is when the value of receipt is equal to value of payment, that is known as balance of invisibles. Get it? Now we'll see one thing, the sum total of balance of trade and balance of invisible gives us the aggregate known as the balance of payment on current account. What I told previously from the first of the concept. So BOP current account equal to BOT, means balance of trade plus balance of invisible. Maybe in the UGC NET they will give this one and they will confuse the question. They will not give the full form. So you should be aware that BOP on the current account all the time BOT plus BOI. BOT means balance of trade and BOI means balance of invisible. Excuse me. Now we'll go to next part. What is the BOP on the current account? This entire BOP on the current account also may be favorable, unfavorable and balance. Get it? First I told the balance of trade and balance of invisible, favorable, unfavorable and balance situation. Here I am telling balance of a payment on current account may be favorable, unfavorable and balanced. Favorable means it is the surplus situation, as I told. That means country has earned more foreign exchange. We got more money from the foreigners. And unfavorable means it is the deficit situation. What is the deficit situation? Means country has spent more on the foreign exchange. For a developing and developed country, it's not a very good sign. And balance is all the time good. When the country's total earning of foreign exchange during a year is equal to its total expenditure, it is known as foreign exchange. I hope what I explained that is very easy and you understand it well. If you not understand anything means you can ask me on doubt. Thank you class.